Hi, today we have Dr. Manoj from Biocon with us for the third edition Biomolecule Workshop. Hi, Dr. Manoj, how are you? It's great to have you with us again for the third edition.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah. So, Dr. Manoj, we would like to understand how do drugs regulators have a different kind of perspective to synthetics and peptides? Will you give a short overview, allergies about it?
Yeah, so it's a very interesting topic because of the way the peptide space has evolved. Traditionally, brand companies have produced peptides by recombinant fermentation processes, and the regulation around that has always been not so clear about when you want to take a follow-on product. One of the questions we encountered and we worked upon it was what would a follow-on generic product be made by? Because fermentation as a process, when you substitute for a recombinant uh, brand product, the regulators have concerns about impurities and the immunogenicity and nature of the impurities. And that topic is only in a way, it's only sortable if you do a clinical trial. And if a generic company has to do a clinical trial to enter as a generic product, the return on investment may not be something which you would be happy to get into. And that's where the entire substitution of a recombinant product with a synthetic product has come into play. Now, these positions, some agencies have adopted, some agencies are still in the mode of listening and understanding and seeing what kind of data comes in. And there's also the flip side that a synthetic product is not easy to make and it's not cheap. So there is this entire conundrum about regulation versus affordability versus investment. And that's probably the path which slowly, as we have entered the space, got some approvals now, the position is becoming more and more clear.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you so much for the great insight you have shared with us, Dr. Manoj. Anything else you would like to add on something for the third edition, the crowd and the
So as before, I think this has been a very engaging session today. And I think the topic which I kind of forayed into was offbeat. It's not a day-to-day problem. It's more about how the future horizon should look like for the industry. And I think it was very engaging.
great. Great to hear. Thank you so much once again, Dr. Manoj.
Thank you.